Yes, welcome. So I'm here to introduce to you this plant. Yeah, I don't harvest it yet. I'm here to get it harvested. This is called the king of the forest. This plant is antimicrobial, antibacterial. Yes, it's a natural antibiotic and it's anti-inflammatory for all inflammation. But guess what? I do not put those on the top tier. What it does for me that is on the top tier, yes, it's right behind of me there, yes. See, I'm here to do my harvest. This plant, let me remove things. This plant is the best for detoxing the liver, because every time, every kind of skin disease is affected through the liver. So what it does, it cleanses the liver, hence removing liver spot, shitting cloud, all skin disease, eczema is removed by this. It can physically juice green and put on the skin, but it works best with 28 days of tea drinking. King of the forest. What it names? King of the forest, and it name suggests a lot. I am not a doctor. I repeat, I am not a doctor, but what am I? I am a self-acclaimed herbalist. For the persons who are not getting, I do not reply to that is in my DM at the moment. Please, I'm working on the paperwork to start doing shipment. Please give me some time and be patient with me. But King of the Forest, who want to cure their skin diseases, please make the link. I have it here and I'm going to do shipment. Have a peaceful day. Yo, I am not pure, but I am the cure.